Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best throw ball is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any arborist or tree care professional, offering a safe and efficient way to get your climbing rope into position without the need for cumbersome ladders or complex rigging setups, making your work in the canopy significantly easier and faster. Number 5. Trideer Exercise Ball Yoga Ball. Boost your balance, posture, and core stability with this premium yoga ball. It's ideal for yoga, Pilates, stretching, and full-body workouts, whether you're at home or in the gym. Turn your workspace into a fitness zone. Use it as a chair alternative to engage your core and improve posture. It can even help relieve back pain from long sitting hours. Made with durable PVC material, this stability ball supports up to 150 kilograms. Its anti-burst structure ensures slow air release instead of sudden popping for added safety. Crafted from high-quality, eco-conscious materials that comply with safety standards. This ball is designed to be durable, reliable, and safe for your everyday fitness needs. To keep it in top condition, avoid prolonged contact with wooden or painted surfaces. Also, store it away from pets to prevent punctures from sharp claws. What we like. This ball is designed for a multitude of uses, from yoga and Pilates to acting as an ergonomic chair alternative. If you're looking to enhance your core strength, improve your posture during long work hours, or simply want a versatile fitness tool for your home, this is an excellent choice. Its durable, anti-burst construction ensures safety and longevity for everyday use. What people say. The throw ball is designed for tree work. It is a useful tool for getting ropes into trees. Number 4. Champion Sports Medicine Ball Storage Tree. Keep your valuable medicine balls secure and protected when not in use. This storage solution offers a practical and attractive way to hold your workout balls safely. Featuring 5 racks that increase in width, it can accommodate medicine balls of various sizes and weights. This stand is designed to hold balls up to 11 inches in diameter. Built with unyielding steel tubing, this unit is designed for significant weight bearing. You can trust it to remain stable and avoid toppling or breaking. Its slimline design allows it to be placed against a wall, saving valuable floor space. This makes it an ideal, out-of-the-way solution for any gym. While perfect for medicine balls, its versatile pegs can also hold other workout gear. Easily store weighted balls, jump ropes, or exercise bands. What we like. This storage solution is perfect for keeping your workout space tidy and your equipment protected. Its sleek, wall-mountable design makes it ideal for home gyms or fitness facilities where space is a premium. If you have a collection of medicine balls or other weighted gear and want a sturdy, organized way to store them, this durable steel tree is the answer. What people say. Holds my medicine balls and my big ball. Stand, 52-inch tall, base 1114 x 2234. Prongs, spaced 1114 inch apart vertically and 434 apart horizontally, 814 long. I put medicine balls up to 20 pounds, on the rack, 100 pounds, total weight, and had no problem. I suspect it could handle much more unless you repeatedly slam heavy balls onto the prongs. Number 3. Arborist Throw Line and Weighted Throw Bag Kit. This kit includes a 16-ounce throw bag and a 150-foot polyethylene line. It's designed for easy and accurate positioning of heavier ropes. Its sleek design increases your throwing range, allowing for optimal rope positioning. This is ideal for professionals needing high-performance equipment. The throw bag features a nickel-plated ring, securely attached for your ropes. You'll be able to throw to greater heights and distances with confidence. Filled with number 8 shot and designed to prevent snagging, this gear offers environmental protection and longevity. The latex pouch ensures it lasts. Available in multiple colors and sizes, it's screen printed with weight for easy identification. Replacement lines are also available separately. What we like. This kit is engineered for accuracy and distance, making rope placement in trees effortless. The aerodynamic throw weight ensures optimal positioning, even in challenging locations. If you are a professional arborist or a serious tree climber who needs reliable, high-performance equipment for precise rope setup, this handcrafted kit is an indispensable tool. What people say. The throw line is thicker than standard, so it might behave a bit differently than what you are used to. The weight is good and it is easy to use this. It works really well for this. The second use is a little more off. I'm using the throw weight to get my portable antenna rigged up into trees when I set up my portable ham radio. Yeah, this works a treat for that. Toss the weight over a branch, attach it to the antenna end and run the antenna up the tree. Perfection. The weight is good. The line is strong and there's a lot of it. The bag and its cord snuck almost effortlessly through clusters of branches. I was really impressed we didn't get it stuck anywhere. I purchased and am happy to recommend the 16 ounces. I never had to fear it not coming right back down after a throw, even through thick branches. Number 2. Notched throw weight. Introducing the notched throw weight, designed for superior performance. Its extra-stitched Cordura construction ensures longevity, while the unique high-vis checker pattern enhances visibility. Crafted with 1000 denier nylon Cordura, this throw weight is built to withstand demanding use. The extra stitching provides reinforced durability where you need it most. Stand out with its distinctive high-vis color pattern, designed to be easily spotted. This unique design ensures you can quickly locate it in any environment. It features a welded ring for added support and security. This robust design ensures it can handle the stresses of your work. Easily identify the correct weight with its convenient color coding system. This feature saves you time and ensures you grab the right tool for the job. Rest assured with the manufacturer's limited lifetime warranty. It's a testament to the quality and reliability of this essential tool. What we like. Built for demanding conditions, this throw weight features exceptional durability and high visibility. The extra-stitched Cordura material and welded ring provide superior strength and support for critical line-setting tasks. If you prioritize safety, longevity, and clear visibility in your tree work equipment, this product, backed by a lifetime warranty, is a reliable investment. What people say. The ball is designed to be thrown over branches, allowing for easy setup of ropes for tree work. Its weight and shape make it easy to throw accurately, even in windy conditions. The durable material ensures it can withstand repeated use without damage. Number 1. SWOOC Games Premium Wooden Ladder Ball Game Set. Don't let the weather stop the fun. This game is varnished and sealed, ready to withstand splashes, humidity, and heat for endless outdoor enjoyment. Forget the tools and the hassle. With a simple twist-lock design, you can set up and take down this game in seconds, getting you straight to the fun. With over 10 games included, from classic ladder toss to unique SWOOC originals, there's always a new way to play. It's designed for all ages and skill levels, ensuring no one gets bored. Pack it up and take it on the go. The included carrying case makes it easy to bring this game to your next barbecue, beach day, or any outdoor gathering. Enjoy your game knowing it's crafted from sustainably sourced wood. Plus, with every purchase, a tree is planted, helping to protect our planet. What we like. This game set brings versatile outdoor fun that's built to withstand the elements. Its quick, tool-free assembly means you can start playing in minutes, perfect for spontaneous backyard gatherings or parties. If you're looking for an engaging, family-friendly activity that offers multiple ways to play and is easy to transport and set up, this weather-resistant wooden ladder ball set is a fantastic choice. What people say. Easy to put together and sturdy, well designed. Rules were easy to understand. Looks impressive and fun to play. Easy to assemble with great instructions. This game has pegs on the side for keeping score, which is a must-have in my book because everyone always forgets what the score is. Sits solid in the grass and doesn't tip over. The game balls are nice as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.